Yesterday morning, seemingly calm. At around 6:42 a.m. local time, the Hawaiian sky was still clear and without any warning signs. Waves gently rolled under the rising sun. But in an instant, everything changed. The water rippled, the sea seemed to boil, and the ground shook silently. Without smoke, without warning, something had erupted beneath the surface. The source was the volcanic activity of Kilauea. Behind Hawaii's tropical beauty lies a vibrant volcanic system that is constantly in motion. The pressure of magma from within the earth is slowly building, seeking an outlet. Unlike eruptions typically seen on land, this time the path is underwater. The magma is seeping through hidden cracks in the ocean floor. This process occurs silently, almost undetected by humans. When the hot magma finally breaks through the seafloor, an extreme reaction is inevitable. Lava, with temperatures exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius, directly encounters the much cooler seawater. Instantly, the water vaporizes explosively, triggering a powerful steam explosion. Energy is released in a short time with immense intensity. This phenomenon is known as a Phreatomagmatic eruption, a meeting of fire and water that produces incredible power. From the surface, signs began to appear slowly but surely. The seawater appeared to be unnaturally turbulent, as if heated from the bottom. Large gas bubbles rose to the surface and burst with intense pressure. At some points, the sea looked like a giant boiling pot. The water temperature rose dramatically in a short time, accompanied by the smell of sulfur that began to permeate the air. As time passed, small tremors began to be felt in the surrounding area. Seismic activity increased significantly in a short time. Micro-earthquakes occurred repeatedly without long intervals, indicating that the pressure beneath the surface had not yet stabilized. New cracks could form at any time. Each tremor signaled that this process was still ongoing. The initial impact was immediately felt on marine life in the area. Fish fled or died due to the extreme temperature changes. Chemicals from the magma spread into the water, disrupting the natural balance. Fragile coral reefs began to suffer serious damage. The previously stable ecosystem was shaken in a short time. But the impacts did not stop underwater. The threat is slowly expanding to coastal areas inhabited by humans. Disturbances on the seafloor can trigger large-scale water movements. While they don't always trigger large tsunamis, abnormal waves are still dangerous. Ocean activity becomes difficult to predict, creating tension along the coastline. Kilauea itself is known as one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Its near-constant activity keeps it under constant scientific scrutiny. However, its magma system is vast and complex. Magma doesn't always move upwards. It can also spread laterally through hidden pathways. This is what makes underwater eruptions possible. This event demonstrates that volcanic activity isn't always directly visible on the surface. Many processes occur deep underground and on the ocean floor. Constantly increasing pressure can be released suddenly in unpredictable locations. Even seemingly calm areas can harbor significant potential hazards. Scientists are now closely monitoring the situation using advanced technology. Earthquake sensors and ocean temperature monitors are working around the clock to detect even the slightest changes. The collected data helps understand patterns of ongoing activity. However, not all natural movements can be accurately predicted. This event serves as a reminder that Earth is a dynamic and constantly changing system. Hawaii's beauty is shaped by the same natural forces that are now showing their dangerous side. When pressure is released, the impact can be profound and rapid. Humans can only strive to understand and prepare. Behind the seemingly peaceful waves lies a world of pressure and energy that never truly rests. When those forces surface, everything can change in an instant. A calm sea can become a source of threat. And deep down, that process may still be underway, originating at Kilauea.